So welcome to the next video in the IMSAI 8080 CP-A Rev 4 build series. In this video, we're going to go ahead and get the ribbon cable installed. So find your ribbon cable and let's get her soldered up.
Before we jump into the switch video, there's one more thing I want to do at this point in time, and that's go ahead and mount up this ribbon cable. So it's got these pin headers crimped on the ends. There's a bit of foam here to protect the pins. I'm going to leave that bit of foam on. Let me make sure I'm going to get orientation here correct. Not that the orientation matters. In my mind, the red stripe of the cable goes towards the right here. This actually mounts on the back of the circuit board. In this location here, you may be tempted to use a socket to plug this into. The problem is the back sheet metal is very close to the back of the board. And with a socket there and the crimped on header, there's not enough room. It will not clear. So you cannot use a socket here. It's got to be soldered directly to the board, just as I've done here. And I'm just going to get it in place. I'm going to tack a couple of pins, push it up flush, and then solder it. And again, this is really how it was designed. This is really how it was intended to be built. That one feels like it's up flush, and that one moves slightly. And we can go ahead and solder those connections up. Assuming I can find the soldering glasses. And of course, now the board becomes really clumsy to handle with that cable hanging off the end of it. Those are not the soldering glasses. Yeah, they are. My eyes have gotten very tired here, so I'm having a hard time with focus. Solder keeps hitting an LED and moving out of the way. Boy, I really can't see what I'm doing. Yeah, this is, once you get the switch assembly in place, if you forget this, it's rather difficult to get in here working around the switches to solder this. It can be done, as I have done it, but in my mind, this is a good time to get it attached. I believe that got all everybody soldered up. I got a little solder flake on the end of one of the pins. Boy, those glasses just really aren't working for me. That's because I was wearing the wrong glasses. There we go. I can see again. That looks absolutely fine. So yeah, cable's on. When the CP-A panel is in place, this cable loops around and plugs into the CPU card, the MPU-A. And this cable has to work in order for the proper operation of the CP-A. So with that little piece taken care of, I will see you in the next video.
As always, if you got this far in the video, it's much appreciated. A like on the video is nice. A subscription to the channel is nice. Comments, etc., feedback are always appreciated. Looks like in the next video, we are going to do some switches. It looks like we're going to install some switches in the next video. So I hope to see you in that video.